How to turn on the dark mode on Grammarly keyboard. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable the dark mode on Grammarly easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Grammarly. Now this is the home page, as you can see. Now go to the first option, keyboard customization, and here you go. Now click on the dark option here, and now I just enabled the dark mode on my keyboard. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.